if we want to import some data, we can go to File in RStudio and then Import Data Set. And what you choose sort of depends on what kind of data you might have. A text file like a CSV file, you need to choose how you want it imported, using BaseR or using readr, the readr package that is, or if you have some data from other statistical programming languages. So I have a CSV file, and I'd like to use readr, which is part of the tidyverse. And I can say browse. I have it on my desktop right now. So I'll go to my desktop. I see it right here. And we can wait for it to preview, check it out, make sure it's what we expect. In my case, it is. And I can see here what the code looks like. And I can copy paste that in a couple of ways here. And I can press import. We'll see the data viewed up here automatically. It runs library readr to open all the readr functions, or load them, I mean. And then we have the important part where it finds the data on our computer and reads it into R and assigns it an object. So if I wanted to save this, I might make an R markdown. In this case, it's about pet data. And then I might delete everything here and create a new chunk that I want in R, of course. And I can use the code. I don't need to put the view command, but this will import the data next time for me so that it will show up here again. And I can save this. And that's it.